Hello everyone, I am Satyam Shrikant of class 8.
I am Atharvanan of class 7
I am Prakarshtan of class 6.
and we are the students of SSDAB Public School, Kutti, Jharkhand.
And through this video, we are going to explain about our project that is Life Care Helmet Cum Air Purifier, which we have decided to submit in ATL Marathon 2022.
We all see that farmers, sweepers and workers face a lot of problems. While farmers face heat, do not get fresh air and get harmed by several pollutants causing many respiratory problems. Workers at mining and construction sites face a lot of dust and smoke. Sweepers, while sweeping, also face many problems. They have to cover their whole face while working.
To help them to get rid of all these issues, we have decided to make Life Care Helmet Cum Air Purifier. This will help them in many ways. Our project consists of a hard helmet, an exhauster, some sensors, some LEDs for indicating and lighting purposes, a goggles with some special glasses such as thermal glasses and night vision glasses. Our project also has a mask which is auto purifying. And now we are going to see a very short 3D model of our project. This is the sample model of our project. This is the hard helmet, this is the exhauster, this is the component box in which we will include Raspberry Pi and all the other essential things. This is our mask and this is our goggles in which we will change the glasses.
The exhauster will exhaust the air inside the helmet at regular intervals. The glasses would be replaceable. The thermal glasses would be used to sense the pests and so that only a particular area of the fields would be pesticided. Our project will help each and every worker.
Thank you.